For a barbell back squat, it is important to adjust the J-hooks so that they are just below shoulder height. This will ensure safe unracking before beginning the lift. You will want to unrack the bar with your feet together with a contracted core before taking a few steps back. Your feet should be slightly wider than your shoulders with your toes pointed slightly out. As you initiate the movement, you will want to keep a neutral gaze forward with your chest up and your butt down. Keeping your chest up will ensure that you are activating the correct muscles such as your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. In terms of depth, it is a good rule of thumb to try to get your thighs parallel with the floor. When you are re-racking the bar, it is important to keep your core contracted and take controlled steps into the rack before setting down the bar with your feet together.